Facing a critical Windows failure due to the TS Workspace Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before diving into the TS Workspace Library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the TS Workspace Library, the Terminal Services Workspace Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of RemoteApp and Desktop Connections. It facilitates the data link for enterprise virtual application manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If TS Workspace Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including TS Workspace Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for TS Workspace Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for TS Workspace Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for TS Workspace Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.